In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Google Drive file or folder using a link. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you're new in my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So first of all, open Google Drive on your iPhone. Just tap on and open Google Drive, and as you can see, select your folder, like I'm sharing this folder. Then tap on three dot menu, and after that tap on share, and as you can see here is top right corner is three dot menu again, and just tap on, and in the bottom side manage access, just tap on manage access, and here is currently it's restricted, so tap on and tap on again and select anyone with the link. So tap on and just select the second options and change the settings. Viewer can view or commenter or edit. So yeah, I'll selecting view, or by default it's selected to view, and tap on this icon to copy link. Then you can send anyone you want to share like this. Just go to WhatsApp and just tap on and just tap on and paste and send them, and now these persons can view this file. So that way you can share Google Drive's file or folder using link. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.